Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello, my name is Muhammad Nur Hafiz bin Zulkifli with metric ID AE190016. We are from group 3 for section 9. So we are present about the exercise 2 for EELAB1. So let's go proceed to the plan of the diagram. So this is the plan diagram for our power circuit. This is our plan house. The design of the power circuit will consist 3 MCB and 9 total of socket. So we are using the ring circuit for this design of house plan. The reason why we use the ring circuit is because the ring circuit have the advantage, which is this system is the advantage of this system is that the power can reach the socket in the circuit from both direction, which reduce the power load on the cable. So we can reduce the power loss while in the transmission of the power. So in this experiment, firstly, I will make sure the socket from all of the socket in this house is functionable by testing using a multimeter or a test pen to make sure there are a power or current flows in it. So after that, we turn off all the socket in the house and then turn off the MCB for the next step. So this is the main step, which is we are turn on one of the 3 in this MCB. For example, we are turning on the MCB1 here. So we are randomly check on all the socket to determine which socket are connected to the MCB1. So as the result, for MCB1, we determine that there are 2 sockets that are functionable, and then there is a current flow in a living room, which is the socket 1 and socket 2. So we repeat for the other MCB, which is MCB1, MCB2, and 3. And this is the result that we got, which is for MCB2 in hallway, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, socket 3, 4, and 5, here, and here. And for MCB3 is at the main room, dining room, kitchen, and in front of the toilet, which is 6, 7, and 9. And the 3 MCB connected to the main room, dining room, the kitchen, and the in front of the toilet. So that's all for me for the plan diagram for power circuit in this experiment.
Next, we will move to the discussion. So from this experiment, we are able to sketch and draw the house plan and wiring diagram of the circuit, which are the power circuit. So here are the plan diagram for our house power circuits. So power circuit is a circuit that is used to carry electricity that operates a load. So in our cases, the load is the socket installed in the house. So as we can see in our house plan, there are 3 MCB which are 20 ampere and 32 ampere, and 9 socket outlet installed around the house. So with this MCB, all of the socket, which is the 9 socket, can be energized and de-energized using the MCB. So the number of outlet socket that can be controlled by MCB is depend on the wirings. So for example, in our house plans, one MCB control at least two outlet circuit, which are the MCB1. So each of MCB will control each of their socket outlets. Lastly is the electrical symbol. So electrical symbol play an important role in sketching and planning, whereas it is to identify and indicate the electrical appliances and components installed in house plans. So for our experiment, the the electrical symbol used is the MCB and the socket outlet. So from our plans, this rectangle one is the MCB and the circle one is our socket outlets. So that's all for discussion. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I am Muhammad Afiq bin Ahadul Nisam, metric number AE190052, and I will conclude this experiment. So as we discussed above, it is important to follow the wiring regulation when it comes to planning and designing house plan. It is due to ensure safety and best practice. A radial circuit is main power circuit that feeds sockets and lightning location in some home. It is just a length of properly rated cable that feeds one power point before moving on to the next point. So from there, we learn how to determine and explain generally about radial circuit. And lastly, this experiment showed and taught us how to construct a simple wiring diagram about a power circuit. Thank you.